Hey Winxers, what's up? My name is Tyler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, it is that time again. It is time to work on a custom, and today I'm going to be working on restoring and customizing this Jakks specific rock concert bloom doll. Now today I am going to be repainting accessories, repainting her face, and of course rerooting her head. So let's get into this. Alright Winxers, so here she is, all done being rerooted and thatched. I am really happy with how this hair blend is looking and the color choices. Now, I went back and forth trying to debate on how exactly I wanted to style her hair, because I didn't necessarily love the original Jakks styling and wanted to do something different and special with it. So at first I thought about doing something 80s inspired, however I really wanted to keep the length that I gave her already, as well as doing something very, Winx aesthetic type. So I opted for a more pop rock kind of 90s 2000 style with longer bangs and like waves and stuff like that, rather than doing the very like short fluffy 80s kind of look. I also don't know if I could really achieve that kind of a look with Saran. I think it would have been done better with Kanekalon, so I opted for a different hairstyle. And now let me show you how I did it. So this is the part where I cut Bloom's bangs, and honestly, this was probably the most nerve-wracking part of this entire project because, like, bangs are hard. But you know what? I'm pretty happy with them. So after a little bit of hairspray and shaping, I think that Bloom's bangs turned out pretty great. Now, before we take her hair out of these braids, I think that maybe we should do something about this makeup. Now to spruce up these accessories. are back to Bloom's hair. I am just going to remove her hair from the braids, give it a quick little brush and a good helping of hairspray, and we'll be on our way. And now presenting the new and improved Rock Concert Bloom. And that is all I have for you guys in today's video. I really hope you loved and enjoyed it as much as I loved and enjoyed making it. This custom was so much fun to work on, and I am so happy and proud with the end result. I hope you guys like it as well. Be sure to hit like if you did, and comment letting me know what you liked about it. And oh yeah, subscribe, because I post every Tuesday and Friday at 12 p.m. EST. So yeah, there will also be links to the acrylic paints and the hair that I used in this video. Maybe not specifically the colors that I used, but where you can purchase the paints and the hair. That'll all be in the description, so check it out. There will also be a link to my Instagram where you can see more fabulous photos of this beautiful doll. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and see you later.